Maybe when the swimmers start swimming, Joddy, I might just let the lifeguards know that there's a huge bait ball out there with 3
that's a good idea.
grey nurses in them. Just because I don't want to use the megaphone from here.
Yeah, no.
Wow. Guys, this is loose. Look at this, Joddy.
Oh man,
Look at this. 4 grey nurses in the same shot.
Yeah, he's trying to like that.
Oh, the surfers are in there now.
There's nothing further out anyway to cast.
We've got another drone come into the scene. Guys, do you know you're in like around 5 sharks? It's like a love heart. Look at that, Joddy. Look at that. Love heart. Alright, I might let's tell the lifeguards, I reckon.
The Waverley Council Lifeguard Service. If you're calling about a life-threatening emergency, please press 1. For all other inquiries, including surf conditions...
It's Jason from Drone Shark app, just letting you know there's about 4 or 5 grey nurses just out in the middle, so when all the swimmers start coming, because there's a huge bait ball out there.
Yeah,
so
I'll on the Harry's.
Yeah.
And he's a team later, and yeah, I'll see what you want to do.
No worries, mate.
All good, mate. Cheers.
Okay, see ya.
See you later.
Just following these fish. Oh, look down, buddy. Look down, you just went over. Little grey nurse. It's a smaller one, this one. There, if you look down, you might see one of the grey nurses there. There's been about 5 out there this morning. Have a look down, he spoke to you. There's 5 Normans out there, so they're going to go check them out. They're about to enter the vortex. He's over here, mate. He's over here. Follow my drone. He's coming. He's coming. He's right in front of you. That's it. He's got him.
Wow.
Got him again, hey? Hey, mate, which one are you? Got no idea. We're going to have to get in the water with them at some stage, Jot, and identify male or female. For a little look, as they do. See what's having a... The other ones are content in just staying in the school, which they usually always are. It's just unusual he's gone in for a little look there, but it's all good.